Are you curious about why we sneeze? Let's find out. Sneezing is one of your body's coolest defense mechanisms. When something like dust, pollen, or a strong smell irritates the lining inside your nose, it triggers a nerve called the trigeminal nerve. This nerve sends a message to your brain's sneezing center, and your body gets ready to respond. You take a deep breath, your lungs fill with air, and your muscles prep for action. Your eyes automatically shut as a reflex to protect them during the process. Then, boom! Your chest and diaphragm contract forcefully, expelling air, mucus, and irritants at speeds up to 100 miles per hour. Fun fact: sneezing is your body's natural way of protecting you by clearing your airways. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.